What's up, fellow traders? It's Sunday night. We had our little pullback on Friday. They're setting us up for the pullback to the 750 area on the S&P and around the 7,500 area on the Dow. I'm going to grab the camera and show you what I'm looking for this week. And I'm still calling for this ramp up a little higher until things look different. But right now we've definitely had a nice run. I'm definitely liquidated all cash except a little batch of some puts. And I'm going to grab this camera and lay this out to you right now. This is the 6-month S&P right here. Okay, what I've drawn here is our closing low in November, which is our 750 pullback. See, that's what I like right there. That's where I think like we're going to pull back. Here's our dip low, which I'm going to show you where this comes into play on the Dow here in a second. But see how important this trend line is that I drew? It's right off our intraday low. Look at this. It's just the tip top of the day, the upper wick of our low in November. Then as we came up through, ironically, it's our closing low again before we found some support and had a little rallying. Then before what I call the shakeout, we opened on the line, went down to it. The next day opened up, closed right on it, and then our next 2 days before our plunge, look at the two upper wicks. Bloop, bloop. This is a real important line here that we blew through. And ironically right now is giving us the double nut on our November low, which, if we hit it within like 2 or 3 days by Tuesday or Wednesday, it'll set up for some nice support. Because a lot of people are going to be getting back in at 750. We've had a nice run. I think 750 is going to be a nice entry point for our run up to like 875, 900 that I'm calling for. Right there. Okay. Plus, I'm going to throw in our little downtrend that got broken. We powered up through right here, which Friday I kind of pointed out I didn't really like that volume now that this volume was even weaker. But look at that. We'll almost have like a triple nut support if we have like a 2-3 day sell-off down to the 750. I think that definitely needs to come into play for our run. We definitely need that to happen, is what I'm saying. For this run to play out up through the 900s and Dow, heading to 10,000, we need this pullback. Now, this is the Dow 6-month chart. I'm going to draw the line from our October intraday low. 7773 was our intraday low. We closed 7776. Tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. They put us right on the nut. So, like I said Friday, for the long position, we needed to stay above 78.80 if you were still holding. We didn't. It broke down. Tomorrow it's 7773. Yes, I'm calling for the pullback. Right here. 750 on the S&P. In the Dow, the intraday low in November. Okay? Which is going to be, like I said, the 7,500, 7,400 range. And that'll be like a double, like a 2-day pullback. Hopefully, like we can get it done by Wednesday. And there's our downtrend that's broken, that, healthy to pull back. Again, that's going to put a floor this November low. A lot of people are going to be adding, I won't pick up a full position, but I'll pick up a healthy position. Do like you know, see how I feel, but like half of that position on a tight stop, like I did on this last pickup of SSO at 1990. So basically tomorrow, if we stay above 7773 on the Dow, maybe we might be putting in a floor right here at the October intraday low. But if we break down, look for 7,500, 750 on the S&P to start building a fat position. Good luck.